Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio. OBS Studio is an application that is used to record your screen. It's a free version. You can get it on their website. So I have here an application already that an installer that already downloaded from their website. Then I'm going to be showing you how to install it. So this is the installer. I'll double click on it. Now when you double click on it, it tells you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer? Of course, because you want to be installed on your computer, then you select yes. When you select yes, it takes you into the welcome to buy OBS Studio 30.2.3 setup. So this is a setup that takes you through the steps of installing OBS Studio on your computer. Click next. Alright, you can read through the license information, and if you're done, you click next. Also here, then it's telling us where it's gonna install the OBS Studio. On our computer, it says on C, Programs, Files, and OBS Studio. It will require around, now down it's telling us space required 693.2 MB. Of course we have the space, but then it gives you what it will be needed. Alright, then you click install, and it's going through the installation of the OBS Studio 30.2.3. Let's wait and see. It tells us the setup is completed. When you click finish, it will launch the studio, and then on the right hand side here, you see here it has already created a shortcut. So you just double click on it and then it opens when this one closes. So let's see, click finish and see what it says. So now it's launching OBS Studio. Auto configuration wizard. We just click next on this wizard, so you go through the process of the auto configuration. Okay, the resolution, video, at what rate do you want it? 1920 times 1080. All right, FPS. Okay, you don't want to connect your account to the auto configuration, you can cancel and you go back. So this is how it looks like. Let me minimize it. This is how it looks like, the interface of OBS. You can say studio. So this is basically how it looks like, the interface. So when you're recording stuff, there will be here. You can choose studio mode, then there will be two from here. You're recording from here, and then on this side it tells you how it will be looking on your screen. Basically, that's how it is installing OBS on your computer. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.